He would say one of the greatest signs that a person loves the Prophet ﷺ is that he continues or she continues to enjoy being in gatherings where his name is honored. They enjoy being in gatherings where he is spoken highly of. Just like how when we love someone and when we're sitting in a gathering and someone speaks about them in a positive way, what does that do to our heart? It makes us feel good. If we have children and we're sitting in a gathering and someone says something good about our son or daughter, mera beta, right? Or ibni, or binti, my son or my daughter, or this person is just sitting there as a father or mother, you feel so overwhelmed with joy because someone is speaking highly about your children. So he says that the greatest sign that we love the Prophet is that we enjoy being in gatherings where his name is mentioned. And we enjoy being in gatherings where his name is honored. Not that his name needs us to honor him, but rather we are honored by mentioning his name, where the poet would say, مَا إِن مَدَحْتُ مُحَمَّدًا بِمَقَالَتِي وَلَكِنْ مُدِحَتْ مَقَالَتِي بِمُحَمَّدَ صلى الله عليه وسلم, where we have not praised the Prophet by mentioning his name. Rather, our tongues have become praiseworthy simply by saying the name of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.